This is Mr. Martin. These are video solutions for the first problem on Unit 2 notes. We're simplifying rational expressions. We've already talked about adding and subtracting, and this is going to be the solutions for an example where we are multiplying. So when you're working with rational expressions, usually it's a good idea to factor as much as you can. So let's take a look at this problem and let's factor. So there's nothing to factor in the first numerator, so that's m plus 1. And then I can factor a 4 out of the first denominator, so I'm going to factor that 4 out, and I'm left with m plus 4. And then I'm going to multiply, and I've got these two trinomials that I'm going to factor. So I know I'm going to have an m in the first set and the m in the second set of parentheses, and I know I've got factors of 32 that add to 12, so that would be 8 and 4, and everything's positive, so that's plus and plus. If you're having trouble factoring, make sure that you get some help either from me or go to the point, or check out some videos online on factoring. But it's an important skill that you're going to need to have for this unit, and you may need to brush up. Then in our second denominator, we've got m and m also, and I need factors of 16 that add to 6, so that would be an 8 and a 2, and it's negative 16 and it's positive 6, so we'll make the 8 positive and we'll make the 2 negative. So here's our factored form, and once we get to here, since we have all multiplication, I can start reducing stuff in the numerators and denominators. If this was addition here, it'd be a different story, so be very careful with that. But since I've got all multiplication here in the numerators and denominators, I can cancel. So I've got an m plus 4 down here and 1 up here in the numerator, and an m plus 8 there and there that reduce out. So after I reduce things, I'm left with m plus 1 over 4 times m plus 4, and there's no need to distribute in that denominator there. Alright, so if you have any questions, make sure that you check in with me in class, and we'll see you in the next video.